In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WordPress theme. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's appearance, improve functionality, or just explore new design options, changing your WordPress theme is a simple yet impactful way to breathe new life into your website. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process, from logging into your account to applying and verifying your new theme. If you're new to WordPress, don't worry, this walkthrough will ensure you feel confident every step of the way. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button. It's located near the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now it's time to log into your WordPress account. You can either manually enter your username and password, or, for a more seamless experience, click on the Continue with Google option. This method allows you to use your existing Google account information, saving you a few extra steps. Just make sure you choose the Google account associated with your WordPress profile. Once you've entered your credentials or selected your Google account, click Continue to finalize the login process and access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your website. From here, locate the My Home section for the specific site where you want to change the theme. Once you've selected the correct site, look for the Appearance option listed among the menu items under My Home. Click on it to proceed. Next, select the Browse Themes option under the Appearance category. This will open up a wide variety of themes for you to explore. Each theme offers its own unique features, styles, and customization options. For example, some themes are designed to support e-commerce functionality, while others may focus on displaying visual content or blog posts. Take a moment to think about what your website needs. Are you looking for a customizable header? Do you need a layout that's optimized for online stores? Keep these factors in mind as you browse. When you find a theme that catches your eye, use the preview feature to see exactly how your existing content will appear with the new design applied. This is a great way to test out different looks without committing to any changes just yet. If the theme feels like a good fit for your needs and style, go ahead and apply it by clicking the appropriate option to activate it. Once the new theme is applied, it's important to verify that everything is working as expected. Check your site to ensure the layout, design, and functionality look correct. If something doesn't feel quite right, don't worry. WordPress makes it easy to switch themes again later if needed. And that's it! You've successfully changed your WordPress theme and given your site a fresh new look. By following these steps, you can easily explore and apply different themes to meet your site's evolving needs. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any questions about WordPress themes, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.